Hello, my name is Kayla Shaw, and today I will be answering the questions asked by Dr. Kimberly Auchester for Module 6 of Human Development at Aspen University. How does research on life conditions that accelerate telomere shortening illustrate the joint influence on heredity and environment on biological aging? Telomere shortening can be simply explained as death to death as per recent research that has been done. Telomere shortening is found when telomere length reduces and when the lifespan of an individual increases. If treatment is done with respect to the shortening of telomere, this will be helped for a lifetime, and a person will never have to undergo the process of aging. Research has shown that increased length of telomere is one of that is responsible for aging signs. If the telomere length shortens, then an individual will attain immortality. This can be a serious threat to mankind, as exponential population growth will be expected due to this, and there will be a lower death rate and increasing birth rates. I don't personally think the world could survive something like this because we would just overgrow the earth. The second question is, why are people in committed relationships likely to be more sexually active and satisfied than those who are dating several partners at once? Those who are in a committed relationship tend to be in an emotionally fulfilling relationship that have love, affection, and fidelity. All of these combined are what lead to satisfying sex. Individuals who are dating several partners at once usually don't have love, affection, and fidelity, so these people tend to not feel as sexually satisfied when they are with their partners. Question number 3. How does expertise affect information processing? Why is expertise necessary for, but not the same as, creativity? Expertise affects us in the way by which we yield new information from the existing knowledge that we possess in the field, and allows one to ensure that the gained knowledge makes sense in terms of practical experience and application. However, expertise is not the same as creativity, and creativity includes developing ideas and thoughts on one's existing knowledge in order to improve the way in which a principle is increased in its efficiency or function when compared to the existing situation. Creative thinking can lead to innovative ideas outside of one's field of expertise as well. Question 4. What student and college environment characteristics contribute to favorable psychological changes during the college years? The information processing in the college stage is also similar to what occurs in adolescent times and is rapid cognitive development. It is a psychological change that interacts with students' knowledge, experience, and their social requests. Jean Piaget explained how individuals access in the time of adolescent abstract, not through egocentric. In this stage, cognitive development is large and drastic. Information processing perspective, according to this, is artificial intelligence study explains the growth of special components like thinking process and cognitive development. So the college environment is technically a higher accessible medium or environment for informative accessing. Structural study modes also provide in the college environment. The sharing of information and accessing of information is highly influential and original in college environments. Question number 5. What cultural changes have led to the emergence of the period known as emerging adulthood? Entry-level positions in many fields require more education, therefore requiring young adults to go to secondary school for a larger period of time. In wealthier nations, people live longer, so there is not as much of a pressing need for young people's labor. Question 6. According to Levinson, how do the lives of structures of men and women differ? Men have one dream, which is usually involving a career. Settling down was meant to focus on certain relationships, aspirations, to establish a niche in society. Women have a split dream with career and marriage and family. They do not reach career maturity until middle age, which is when men start to settle down. Men want to settle down later in life and focus on career first. Women think that they have a body clock and they like to settle down and have kids before they usually reach their career maturity. I've used several sources to do my research, and I have cited them in the link along with the paper that I have submitted to the professor. Thank you so much for your time tonight.